DeepSeek AI is one of the latest AI assistants gaining a lot of attention, and it looks like it's becoming quite popular. If you're interested in trying it out, I'll walk you through how to use it. This AI assistant is designed to provide quick and intelligent responses, similar to ChatGPT, but with some unique features. To get started, head over to either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and search for DeepSeek AI Assistant. You'll see the app appear in the results. It's developed using the DeepSeek V1 version 3 model, which powers its responses. Once you download the app, you'll need to log in. You can sign in using your Google account, Apple ID, or create a new account using another method. After signing in, you'll land on the home screen, where you can start chatting with the AI right away. The interface is pretty clean and user-friendly. On the top left corner, there's a menu icon that lets you access all your previous conversations, so you can easily go back and revisit older chats whenever needed. Then, on the top right corner, you'll see a plus symbol button, which allows you to start a new conversation with the AI. And at the bottom, there's the chat bar, where you can type in your questions and send them to DeepSeek. You can ask the AI anything you want, whether it's general knowledge, advice, or help with specific tasks. For example, you can ask, "How many continents are there?" DeepSeek responds quickly, often faster than ChatGPT in some cases, making it a great choice for those who need instant answers. DeepSeek AI also comes with a few additional features that make it even more useful. First, there's DeepThink R1 mode. This is an advanced mode that allows for more complex responses. It's kind of like a premium version of the assistant, but the good news is, you can try it for free. Then, we have web search mode. If you need real-time data, you can enable this option, and DeepSeek will pull live information from the internet. For example, if you ask, "What's the latest price of Bitcoin?" it will search online and bring you the most recent data. Just keep in mind, this feature is a bit slower than the regular AI responses. And there's also file uploads. If you have a document, image, or file that you need help with, maybe you want to summarize a long file, you can simply upload it, and DeepSeek will analyze it for you. But keep in mind, this feature doesn't work when web search mode is enabled. If you prefer using DeepSeek AI on a laptop, there's also a web version available. Just head over to the official DeepSeek AI website, and you'll see a layout similar to the mobile app. Getting started is simple. Just click Start Now, log in with your Google account or create a new one, and you're in. On the web version, the chat panel is where you can start conversations, just like on the mobile app. On the left side, there's a sidebar that keeps a history of all your past chats, so you can always go back and check them whenever you need. Plus, there's the file upload feature, which allows you to upload and analyze documents, making it super useful for work or research tasks. One of the biggest advantages of using the web version is that there's nothing to install. It works right from your browser on laptops, tablets, and desktops. DeepSeek AI is a great alternative to other AI chatbots, offering fast responses, an easy-to-use interface, and useful features like web search and file uploads. Whether you're using the mobile app or the web version, you'll find it helpful for everyday questions, research, and productivity. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.